Let's not pause with menopause. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Malvika Appasani, aesthetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. A woman's body undergoes lot of changes throughout her life. Let it be starting from at the age of menarche, where she gets her first period, through the pregnancy, and later on finally when her periods stop at the age of menopause. This is because of fluctuations of hormones like estrogen and progesterone in their body, which will finally reduce at the age of menopause and cause lot of changes in their body, which are mostly related to aging. Let it be skin, hair, bones, or any vital organs. So today we are talking about menopausal changes related to vagina and sexual life. Vagina, which is a self-cleansing organ, and its vital role is during sexual activity. It has its layer of vaginal mucosa, which is multiple layered. And this layer maintains the vaginal pH, acidic pH, and a good bacteria environment to protect itself from outside infections and keep itself healthy. And the hormones play a very important role in keeping this layer thick. At menopause, because of decrease in this estrogen and progesterone hormone, the vaginal layer becomes very thin and finally loses its acidic pH and becomes more alkaline, and there is decrease in good bacteria, which makes it more prone for infection, leading to multiple repeated infections post menopause. Not just that, even the vaginal mucosa becomes very papery thin, pale, loses its blood supply, loses its elasticity because of reduction in elastin and collagen also in the body. Finally, making the vagina more dry and causing lot of friction during intercourse, leading to micro cuts, making it more prone for infections, more dry during sexual activity, and also leading to urinary infections, etc. So, how to pause these changes of menopause in the vagina? So, firstly, we have to act priorly in the life. That means at the age of 35-40, we should be ready that we are about to hit menopause in the next 10 years. So, that is when we start supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, collagen supplements, etc. And not just that, having a regular exercise, which is by doing weight bearing exercise, cardio, and eating a regular and healthy diet is very important. And not just that, it is proven that regular sexual activity improves vaginal mucosa health and makes it sustain its multiple layered even after menopause. So that's how we keep the vagina healthy. And not just that, we also have non-hormonal treatments like vaginal lasers or PRP injections for vagina to improve the vaginal health without hormones. And finally, if needed, nowadays we have newer hormone replacement modules available. If you find this video informative, please share it with your friends, and also like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you have any further questions, you can comment below and we can revert back to you.